Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to refund games on Steam. First, the game you are looking to refund must meet Steam's refund policy, which is the game can only be refunded within 14 days of purchases. You must have less than 2 hours of playing time. Here's how to check play time. On the home page, click on the library, go to the game you are looking for, and right here will be where the play time is. To check the date purchase, go to the help at the top, hit Steam support, go down to purchases, and here you will see your recent purchases. This is the game we will be refunding in this example, and it was bought today. Now to refund the game, go back up to the help section, go to Steam support, click on the product you are looking to refund, in this case Snipe Hunt. From here, choose the reason you are refunding the game, select I like to request a refund. You can choose to refund the money to your original pay source or your Steam wallet. Now before you submit your request, you can add extra notes if you would like or change your reason, and now select submit request. Now you will receive an email from Steam with them letting you know that they got your refund request, and usually within 1 to 2 days your money is refunded. So that's it for this video. That's how you can refund any Steam game. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.